Hi, let me demonstrate how MEP Level Mapper Revit add-in works. You should go to Autodesk App Store, type Engipedia here in the search bar, look for add-in right there, and you can download free 30-day trial, buy the add-in, or contact us for custom licensing options. To demonstrate the add-in, I'm using Revit 2025 and Autodesk piping sample model. Here we can see the model with multiple levels, and common practice on projects is to change level elevation. So let me just try to change this to 62 feet. And as you can see, you will get some errors, warnings, and so on. These pipes will be deleted, so I know that this happens because of this element right here, which is hosted to a linked Revit model, which is bad practice. You should reference your model elements to your own levels. You can see it's scheduled to this level, but it's not actually hosted or referenced to the level. So for simplicity's sake, I'll just delete this element and try again. Okay, let's try to change this elevation again, and you will still get some warnings maybe. Here we have some warnings regarding air terminals and link. We can ignore these for our pipes and fittings example. So as the result, you can see it's not ideal because not all pipes moved as expected with this level. So let me just undo this action. Now this is where the add-in jumps in. So from add-ins tab, I'll run the add-in and start initial share parameters and filter setup, which will take some time. So I'll just skip through this. It's like a minute or so. Okay, so now we have our model color coded per level. As you can see, levels have the same color as these elements. For example, parking is green, our R2 is orange, and so on. Colors are calculated based on the level name. So if you are using the same name across different models, you will get the same colors. So we want to switch this reference levels to be R2. So I'll use the add-in for that, and this is the action. I can multi-select and use Control and Shift keys to add or remove from selection. I'll assign this to R2 and work my way through this model. So I'll fast forward this part because it will take me a minute or two to go through all these elements. Okay, I believe this is it, and as a final check, I'll go to visibility graphics and switch off all the colored elements and just turn on these two. I'm doing this because I want to make sure that none of the elements are below my R2 level, so I can move this and not influence the elements below. Let me just check which categories I have here. Okay, I think I can safely hide these categories for a while, and then let's try to select to see if there are more elements below. I would say no. Now let me just turn on all the filters that I switched off here, and let me try to change the elevation of this level and see what happens now. We are still getting the same two warnings which we ignored before, so let's just ignore them again. And there you can see how this is supposed to work. Like these elements are properly referenced to this roof level, and they move together with that level as was intention and expected. Finally, you can clean out your model by using these three buttons at the bottom of the app.